Real Cricket 20.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
And there, off go the bails, and we have a rain interruption. And the players are walking back to the dressing room, and we're going to have a few overs deducted for sure. As you can see behind me, the super swappers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore, and the match has been curtailed, but the play will be back on soon.
Real Cricket 22.
बारिश काफी तेज होती हुई यहाँ पर अंपायर जल्द ही एक दूसरे से बात करते हुए नजर आ सकते हैं। अच्छा शॉट, 2 रन मिल सकते हैं यहाँ। अंपायर बेल गिराते हुए थोड़े निराश होंगे यहाँ प्लेयर्स और दर्शक भी बारिश की वजह से।
You can see behind me, the super swappers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore, and the match has been curtailed.
Subscribe 𝗥𝗶𝗄𝗼𝘂𝑎𝑟.